trapped in the dark, hunted by giant hyenas. A laugh you never hear twice.
Faster than humans. These giant birds hunted like dinosaurs. When running wasn't fast enough.
The river that kills. Giant crocodile ambush.
7.5 million years ago, Africa was the most dangerous place on Earth. Early human ancestors,
These silent ambush predators used speed and power to hunt. Here, a single mistake meant death. Night in prehistoric Africa was a death sentence.
at sunrise, danger returned in a new form. Towering terror birds, some over 3 meters tall, sprinted.
Rivers gave life, but also took it away. As night slowly releases its grip on the African savanna, a pale light spreads across the land. Exhausted from a night of fear, early humans move again. Their bodies ache. Their senses remain sharp. But something is wrong. The grass ahead begins to part, not slowly, but violently. From the savanna explode towering shapes. Giant birds. Terror birds.
Run! Get down! It's right behind us.
Help!
They're right behind us. Keep moving.
Look out! Look out! Run!
Water is life. In prehistoric Africa, rivers shape survival.
Water is life. In prehistoric Africa, rivers shape survival. They feed animals.
As night slowly releases its grip on the African savanna, a pale light spreads across the land. When early humans faced Africa's deadliest lion. Ripples spread across the surface. Below them, unseen, a giant prehistoric crocodile. These silent ambush predators used speed and power to hunt. Here, a single mistake meant death.
Back! It's got him!
Help me! Somebody help me! The undisputed king of the savannah surveys his kingdom as the sun begins to set. Bathed in the soft golden light of dawn, the massive white rhinoceros begins its daily search for food across the savanna. Bathed in the golden light of the African morning, the herd begins its relentless march across the savanna. With alert ears and coordinated movement, the pack begins their morning hunt across the plains. The Great Migration sees over 1 million wildebeests cross the Serengeti, an unstoppable force of nature.
Every year, over 1 million wildebeest thunder across the Serengeti in a relentless journey spanning thousands of miles.
This is the rhythm of the savannah, an epic journey where survival depends on the strength of the...
The African buffalo, or Cape buffalo as they are sometimes known, are formidable creatures, undeterred even by the heaviest downpours. The hippopotamus, a symbol of power, finds tranquility in the warm waters of the river as the sun begins to set. This dramatic high leap, known as pronking, allows the springbok to survey for predators across the vast savanna.